Hello, Chef here with yet another recipe for you, the viewer. Here we go. We're making a egg and pepper omelet very quickly. So what I like to do first is use a whisk and beat up these eggs. Okay, and sometimes in a nice omelet we put a touch of milk, maybe a tablespoon. Just like that. Move this aside. I've got a few ingredients here. Sweet onion piece. Remove the bottom. Just like this. Okay, you gotta have some garlic too. Alright. Be small dice here. Good enough. Garlic, just slice it up. That's all you gotta do. Okay, and the peppers, we're just going to put a few small pieces of peppers in this omelet. All right, here we go. Starting with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, just a touch. Nice hot pan. Garlic goes in first. Oh yeah. Onion, and you let it cook. At this point my peppers go in. Followed by my egg. Reduce the heat, let it cook. Oh, that omelet's looking really good now. So it's just about finished. I'm going to put a little bit of fresh grated provolone cheese on top of there. That's the really, really good hard stuff right there. Okay. I'm gonna fold this baby up like this. Top it with a little more Parmesan cheese. A touch of fresh basil. There we go, a little bit of basil, as well as a couple of fresh fruits, just like this here. A couple of blueberries, a couple of grapes. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Try out this omelet. It's going to be really, really good. Yeah. Roasted red pepper, garlic, onion, and cheese. Wow! As you can see, the pork tenderloin's looking pretty good. Yep. Gotta have that. Here we go. Just going to open this up for you to show you what I got going on.